We know. Everybody is talking about how short Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes is. But as a huge fan, I didn't let that stop me from enjoying the game. Like the tanker portion of Metal Gear Solid 2 that was released before the full game, I've put in plenty of time holding up guards and finding other ways to enjoy the product. Some are inventive, and some are pretty obvious, but here's a quick 8 ways to get the most out of Ground Zeroes. Try extracting every enemy from the base before you rescue anybody. Chico and Paz have waited this long for Snake, so they can wait just a little bit longer. And while they wait, you can have a little bit of fun. That brings us to number 2. Have you ever stolen a truck, put all your C4 charges on it, and then detonated them? Whoops, maybe I should have got out of the way.
You can move horizontally left or right.
Out of ammo? That's okay, there's infinite ammo in the game. Just knock out any guard, and then throw him at his friends. See all those crows flying around and rats climbing on the ground? Shoot them. It's actually a challenge in some of the ops, and it's fun to take them out as fast as you can. Take out all the guards in the level, except one, and then torture him. When you're done, dispose of him appropriately. Put a bunch of enemies to sleep and then pile them up. Put C4 on one of them and then wake him up. He'll wake up his buddies just in time for a fiery explosion. Have you gotten all the achievements and trophies yet? No, I bet you didn't. Sure, you completed the story, but there's a bunch of sign ops and more to do. And of course, you can always complete the mission as fast as you possibly can. Here's footage of me trying and failing. I'm not very good at the game. Well, that's 8 things we found that allowed us to keep having fun in Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes. Did you do any screwing around while playing? Let us know about it in the comments below. And for more on Metal Gear, you know where to keep it locked. IGN.